Hi everyone, let's go. Let me just wait for a couple more minutes. We're waiting for a couple more people come in. In the meantime, I'm gonna find something good. Let's go see what's going on here. That one's not looking good. Like this one, you have to wait for a couple, at least one more minute. So this one here, if that candle coming right there, we're gonna buy up. All right, let's go wait. This one here is really good, but we have to wait for a couple more minutes and see what's going on. Let me find something good. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Let's go wait. All right, let's go. Let's go see if I can get anything good. This one here was good. Let me see. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. No, not good. Let me find something really good so we can all trade it together. Nothing yet. As soon as I find something, we're gonna put our bet all together. That one's not good. No, not good yet. Let's see. This one here, we have opportunity, so let's go put some resistance here, and we have to wait for at least for another minute. So I'll keep watch arrow. Nothing yet. I'll wait. Oh, it's nothing good, huh? What? Sorry guys, I have to keeping fishing until I got something really good to us to trade. That one not yet. Let me take a look. Let me see why my screen's frozen. Yeah, you're right. Let me refresh here. Yeah, all right, let me. All right, now it's working. All right, good. Thank you, guys. All right, thank you, VC. Yeah, I think your screen for yeah, Martina was right. It was frozen. Thank you. So let me get something really good so we can all trade it together. That's why we have to be patient. We have to find a nice, a very good spot. No, yeah. So now you guys can see my screen, right? Okay. Euro GBP. Now, yeah. Wow, it's nothing good, yeah. This one here, well, we see, is don't want to come down. This right here was really good opportunity. If that candle coming right here, that resisting line, I mean that support line, and then we can buy up. It's not yet, so let's go wait and see what happens. We want to make sure the next candle touch that line and we can buy up. So let me put 10 bucks right there. Nope, it's ready. Go different way. No. Hi guys, let's go see some stocks. Let's go American Express. Let's go see if you have anything here. Facebook, nothing. Amazon. Guys, let's go. Amazon is looking really good. The line is gonna cross right there. You have a very good position, so I'm gonna get position the next candle. I am gonna open position on the next one, so I'm gonna enter 22nd. So I'm gonna open position the next candle to sell. You got a resisting here, so a lot of pressure up, but let's go wait. I'm gonna sell down 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna see if I can buy one, and then another one to pull back if come in. So that one was really good. The reason I buy, because you see that candle was green until the top, and they come down and then they grow up, but they don't have a wick on the top. It's, I mean, that candle is supposed to come down right now. All right. This account was from last month. I started with the 250 or 240, I don't remember. Alright guys, if you get red, if you don't win that one, we're gonna martingale that one, but supposed to come down, we'll see. We trading on OTC, everything OTC, we got surprise. Alright, so let's go wait, see if you're gonna come down. If you're not, so I'm gonna sell 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, it's winner. So I got that one. So let me go back for my 10 bucks again. So if that candle go up again, I'm gonna sell again right there. I'm gonna take another. I take 2 sells because I saw the opportunity that candle can come down. So I get win on the other one. But let's go wait, see its breakthrough. Let me see where that candle is gonna try to go. Yeah, we have a resisting area here. I think that candle tried to come our way here. So let me see right there. I see touch it 3 times. So let me go back and see. Just go wait 10 more seconds. If I lose that one, I'm gonna martingale one more time. Just go wait. So I took 2 martingale that one because I win the first one, so it's be even. So that candle, yeah, that'll be nice. All right. Which phone is good for face verification? I don't know. I have Android. I don't like Apple. Even all my computer it's from Windows, so I don't like use iPhone or I use a Samsung. I did a configuration with Android. Alright guys, if I lose that one, I'm gonna find another pair because I don't like this one here. So let's go wait. So I'm gonna buy a pullback if you go up again. So I'm one way if you're gonna touch. I took 2 right there on the pullback and that's it. That'll be my last trader right here on that one. So if I lose, I'm gonna find another pair. Unless if that candle coming right here, I can buy one more time. But if it don't come right here, I don't wanna buy anymore. So I'm gonna go and find another pair. So just go see if you're gonna go up. If you touch that line, I'm gonna hit sell again. right there, guys. That's what I want. This one here was nice, a pullback. If I lose that one, that's it. And then I'm gonna find another pair. That one was nice pullback. Let's go see if we're gonna respect. I buy 1, 2, and 3. I'm waiting for. Oh my God, it's breakthrough. See, I hate OTC. That's no, I don't use a book. Why am I gonna use a book? That was nice. I went good. 53 bucks. All right, guys, I'm gonna find another pair because this one here, it's not looking good. Let me go to Facebook again. We CD, no. No, guys, I receive a lot of phone calls because of people building a boat. They ask me if I can help with them. So, but I told them no, I don't wanna sell a boat. So I prefer. I'm gonna open position the next candle. You see right there, he tried to come right here. Let me put a support line. I'm gonna buy up. You see, so I'm gonna open position the next candle to buy up. All right, so that one was really good. So let's go see if we're gonna respect two. I'm gonna buy one here. If it come down a little more, if it break that line right here, I'm gonna buy another one. I'm use a pullback. I don't see 1 minute automatic. I don't use that time right there because if I want to do a pullback, I like to do pullback, but I use automatic like 15 right there, 15, 27, and 28. So it's easy for me to do a pullback. For example, let's say, let me put $1. Let's say if I want to sell, so I can click right there. You see the time is still the same. So I wanna, I'm gonna, because my trade was for this candle, not for the next one. So if I change for 1 minute, look, you see, I'm gonna wait. I'm out of the game. I'm gonna win. But you see, all those two, you're gonna be in, but this one you're gonna stay. You see right there? That's why I don't like to use it. I like automatic. So automatic, when I click ME1 and make sure this one here, it's on. So giving me a time to looking at my pullback. Okay, so that's $1. I don't want to go wait for that one. So let's go to currency again. So let's go find if I can get something really good. So it's Friday, guys. So like I said, we want to get in and get out. I'm gonna get a pullback right here, guys. So see, I got a 16-second. I bought on top for pullback, so I got 12-second. So I saw opportunity because that candle went down, but I tried to follow the trend, so it's winner. All right, that one's good. All right, let's go find another one. Hey Peter, how are you, buddy? This one here, guys, the only way I can buy up if that candle come right here or the next candle. If it come right here, I can buy up on pullback. Let's go see if it's gonna come here. Come on, come on, come on. See, if it come right there one more time, I take another one. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go. I took one right here because I think after 10 seconds, that candle is gonna stop pulling up. Let's go wait 17 seconds. That one right here was a pullback. This one here was nice pullback right there. I lost that one, I think. You see, that pullback was nice, was right here. So let me get another one. Let's go wait. I'm gonna wait for a pullback a little bit. Now my pullback have to come right here. So if it come right there, I'm gonna buy 2 more. Let's go wait. Come on. I want to see if that candle can come right there. Come on. Yeah, I try not use the martingale. I try to use only one. So get very good position and then try not use the martingale. Yeah, that one's not gonna go. I hope that candle. Let's go see if the next candle gonna come right here. So for me to be safe, I wanted the next candle break that line, and then I can buy up and pull back. So if you don't do, if you continue going up, I'm not gonna get. Let's go wait. 7 seconds. All right, that'll be nice, right? Oh my God, I'm missing that one. See, it's break. So if he, that one was nice because he tried to come right here. Let me see where he tried to go. Yeah, it's nothing. It's supposed to start going up right now. Let's go wait and see if that can. If I lose, guy, that one, I'm gonna find another pair. All right. If you come back here one more time, I'm gonna buy one more time. So because this right here, it's a hammer. So you know, it's the end. That price is supposed to go up. That's why I bought right here in the open. But if I get right there on the pullback, that won't be nice. I took one right here in the pullback. Let's go see if you're gonna respect. If you know, I'm gonna find another pair, guys. So that one's not looking good. It's scared, that one. I don't like that setup. But this one is supposed to go up. That's a hammer. So you see, it's support. All right, let's go find another pair. That one was a little scared. All right, let's go open position. All right, to break that resistance here. So let me put a light so you guys can see. See right there? And we have another one on top. Look how many times touch. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That was very good resisting area. So you see, it's trying to break that resistance. Now, because it's break, probably he's tried to come right here. You see that wick 1, 2, and 3 times. So let's go. I'm gonna open position the next candle. So I'm gonna wait for a little pullback and then I'm gonna sell. So I'm gonna open 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna open one right here, and then I'm gonna open another one on top. Let's go wait. So I'll take another one here. Come on, go. Oh, come on. See, that was the nice pullback right there. Let's go see if it comes right here. If it comes right here, I buy 2 more. That's it. Oh, she. See, I buy 2 more to on top as they gave me on the bottom. Wow, that was not good. All right, let's go wait. That one was nice. If you hit that line, I'm gonna take 1 more. That's it, guys. That will be my last one. That was, it's break through the line, and I supposed to wait for that pullback right there, not here. So let's go see if we're gonna respect. And then I gotta do martingale the next one. If I lose that one, I gotta enter the next one with the 40 bucks. Let's go 2, 1. I take only 38. I open one here and another one right there. That's it, 2. Come on, guys, let's go. Give me a couple likes. It's let's go see if I can get 2,000 likes on that video. Now this one here, it's a real account. That's this one here, it's a demo account. That's a real account. Guys, you can read this right there. I don't know. I can read. It's a real account. It's not demo. That one was nice. So if we win that one, we're gonna find another pair. Alright. That one's really good. Let's go find another one. That will be nice winner. Guys, I'm gonna change it for, I'm gonna put $100 now because I wanna see if I can close with almost 9,000, close my Friday. Like I said, I start with I think it was 3,000 something this week, so I'm profit like I'm more than $5,000 so far this week. So let me get something. If you're coming right here, I'm gonna sell $100 right there on the pullback. Let's go wait. So that one was really good. I saw pressure down. So let's go see if you're gonna respect. So that was nice. I put it in $100 because I saw that big candle right there. It's touched. So let's go wait for 3 minutes. Come on. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, it's breakthrough. See, that's why, guys, OTC, I think when you put more money, I think OTC keeping press a button to go against you, man. I told you guys before. Yeah, that was not good. Dimitri, you can go to my Telegram channel. It's free. You don't have to open an account or anything. You know, just use your existing account. That's this one here to my Telegram. I send over that free signal, but the signal it's 5 minutes. So I don't send them 1 minute. All right, let's go find that one, guys. That one was not good. I thought I can get a pullback on that one. All right, guys, I'm gonna open position the next candle right there to buy up. You see right there touching 1, 2, 3 times it's breakthrough. So I'm gonna prepare to open position. So I gotta do with the 200. I'm gonna buy one open and buy another one right there because I lost $100 the other one. So $200 on that trade. So if I lose, I'm just gonna go one martingale on that one. That's it, guys. They want to open with the link because they make some money, extra money every time we open. You don't have to open my Telegram channel. It's free. You can use your own existing account. Wow, look at that. You are with your existing account. So don't you know, I don't like when people ask you to do that because I think they get commission every time they trading. So I don't understand. Well, but yeah, I don't ask people to open an account. It's so complicated, you know. So I think I'm gonna lose that one. I lost that one, guys. I gotta go 400 just right here. That'll be my last martingale. If I lose, I have to accept the loss and then go to another pair. So I'm not gonna go chasing. So you have to figure out if I lost. You have to accept the loss and don't go after because it's $400, you know. So I'm gonna wait. If I lose, guys. I have to accept. And I'm gonna go back for my $100 again. But some people keeping chasing. Don't chase, guys, because if you chase, you're gonna lose your main account. You're gonna keep your main account in good stand. Doesn't matter. Look, I start this week with the $3,000. I'm $7,000 profit. So I'm gonna keep it chase on Friday now, guys. So I'm gonna get it back. Let's go. 10 more seconds. Let's go. Wait. You see right there? I hate this right here, guys. Look. You see they parking opposites against me. Good. I see. I got my money back. That was nice. All right. Let me find another one. Yeah, this is a parking option. All right, let's go see. Wow, that one was scared. So it's $100. I want to see if I can close a 9,000, and then we're gonna start. Yeah, Dimitri, if I lose that $400, I'm just gonna bet one more time, and that's it. I don't trade anymore. I close the life, and that's it. I'm not gonna keep chasing or try to get my money back. No, I lose, I have to accept the loss, and then I'm gonna figure out why I lost. So yeah, that's simple. So I go take a cup of coffee, maybe I come back tonight, but I mean, like I told some of those people, parking option on OTC, they keep track everybody's trade. So we know this right here, when the line cross, so we know we're gonna sell, but parking option no too. So as soon as people put like a small amount, they let it win. But as soon as someone put $1,000 or $300 or $400, believe me, they gonna manipulate the trade. So the only thing they can manipulate is open market. You see right there, they can manipulate those. I don't trade it. Like I said, I have two different accounts. I have this account, I'm just trading my life to do OTC, and my other account, I trade it only open market. I don't mix open market with the OTC. I keep those two accounts separate. And I like indicator, but I'm not going with the indicator. I like my pullback, and also I like to create a support and resistance line, because that way I don't think pocket option can keep manipulating you guys. But like, let's say if the line is gonna cross right there, of course they know it's gonna cross, and they're gonna keep you watch who's put more money. Let's say if I put $1,000 right there, I bet you guys, if my analysis was good, I'm gonna lose, because pocket option on that one. Now if I put like a $2 right here, let me explain. If I put $2, right? If they don't see a lot of people not trading, they're gonna let me win. But I try to pray with them to use a pullback. Well, probably they, like I told you guys before, I open my account every 3 months. I delete this account, open new one, because they keep a recorder. You know, if you win on the time, of course they don't want it. They don't want you get winner on the time. Look, guys, I'm gonna get a pullback, just one pullback right there for sell. That's because of that candle right here. He touched the very strong resisting area right here. Look, let me tell why. See right there? See right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I sold. But open market, it's respect. But OTC, sometimes it's $100. I don't know. Maybe they gonna make me lose. So, because I was prepared to buy up if the line crossed. But 18 seconds. Let's go see if I can win that trade. And also, I have another resisting area right here. See, that was winner. I flip my account every 3 months. So the only thing I created is the email. They don't let you use the same email. You have to create a new email, but you can use your phone number or your identification. So yeah, I want to buy pullback right here, but I want to make sure that candle comes right here first, so I can buy up. Let's go wait. Let's go wait. See, he touched right here. So if he come, so I'm gonna prepare to buy up in the next candle. I try to do maximum 3 martingale. I don't like martingale. Sometimes I don't do. I lost and I go to another one. Guys, I'm gonna buy up right there. So if that candle comes right here, I'm gonna put $200 right here. You see, look, touching 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I wish you can pull back right there. Well, if what, that's why right here in the United States they don't let us pocket option trade unless you have another citizenship. Like I have another citizenship. I open my account with another passport. But you see, when you trade by your knowledge, guys, it's tough to them to catch you. You know, because right here it's the thread. So a lot of people go follow the thread. All right, let me show something good. Let me show something else, guys. I want you to see. Look, this right here. It's my channel. So I be trading for many years. So you guys can look at that. So I be trading for many years right here. So I got a trade, that was a stock market. So you see 17,000 a minute. That's Tesla. And this right here, it's my other channel too. So let me show right here. So I used to be a teacher in Boston. So it's this right here. It's me right there teaching in the classes. So this right here, it's a class right there. So a lot of people follow me on my YouTube channel. So if you guys wanna, and also I got this wonderful book right here. So like I said, I give it for people for free. People go to my Telegram channel, right? And people can get that free book right there. Let me show you. Look, that book, it's teach about pullback. All right. So let me go back to the trader and see what we can do it. All right, let's go get something else. Wow. I'm a new on TikTok, guy. That's why I sometimes like TikTok give me some kind of restriction, and then I have to appear. Look, this one here, for me to be safe, the only way I can sell if that candle touch that line on top or touch right here. This right here, it's a gap. So when it's a gap, you gotta fix the gap. So don't put your line right here. Look, don't put your line on the other candle right there. That's wrong. That's a gap you have to fix. This one here is the correct one. You see? So not that one. All right, so let's go see if that candle gonna come right there, and then we can sell down. Let's go wait. No, I don't know why, but I withdraw 6, 7. Maybe you have to choose your account. I like to withdraw, use a Bitcoin, Dimitri. I don't have a limit. I withdraw 17, 20. So it take me like only 10, 15 minutes for the money clear. All right, let's go. This one here, if you pass the line, you have, see this one here, if you pass the line, you have to wait until on the top. Look, if you come back again here, oh man, see, I bought it right there. I want to buy that pullback right there. I put $100 right here. If you come right here, I'll put another $100 because I click and for some reason it take me all the way down. So that was a nice pullback, but I bought that point supposed to be right here. When I click, for some reason it taking me so far away. I saw that opportunity, so and then I buy a pullback right there. Yes, if you pass the line, you have to wait for confirmation. So right here, look, in that case, I have to wait until here. So let's go see if the next candle is gonna be green. So, and then I'm gonna sell. Let's go wait. So I'm gonna buy a pullback, but I need that candle first to break that line. And the second candle, another 2 minutes, you wanna come right here, and then we can sell. What about TIC 20? Yeah. All right, let's go. No, guys, this one is not gonna go up. So we're gonna wait for a while. Well, like I said, I'm almost 90 grand, so I told I want to make 90 grand and stop. And then I'm gonna show something very good so you guys can trade. Yeah, I gotta find another pair. That one's not good. Wow, that one was really good, guy. Look, that one I'm gonna open position the next candle to sell. So I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna wait for the next candle because it's don't touch anything. So let's go wait. I can buy in the pullback. If you go up a little more, I'm gonna wait right there. Wow, I click. Wow, I click. It's frozen my click. Wow. I took 200 right there, guy. That's what I want. The reason, look, it's the limit right there. Let me put a line. I hope it's gonna respect. Oh, let me put it right there. Look. Oh, it's breakthrough. So it's, if it break, that candle gonna come right here in the next one. Let me put a line here. So let me see if I, wow, I'm far away. So let's go see if we're gonna risk 11 seconds. I hope that will be 400 bucks. 5, 4. See, little eye, you're gonna cross. I'm gonna take another bet in the next one. So I'm waiting for a pullback like this. So if you go up again, I'm gonna take another one. The good one will be right here. So that one will be nice. Let's go away, see if we're gonna respect. Come on, touch it right there. Go, go. Wow, it's break. I can't go anymore, guys. When I saw that candle break through, yeah, that, see, he tried to come right here. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So maybe it's have a possibility to pull back quickly, because you see that one went all the way up and then pull back quickly. So this one here, I'm not gonna go martingale. I'm gonna wait. All right, let's go. I'm gonna buy the next one, the open. 1, 2. I'm gonna buy it right there. That's it. Just one. I don't want to do martingale because that candle, it scared me. It's breakthrough, but the only thing I buy down because I don't see any wick right there. So if I lose that one, I'm not gonna go martingale, and then I'm gonna find another pair. So this one here, see, this one here, it's a safe spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but I gotta wait for my result first. So I hope I can get a pullback. Let's go 15 seconds. 10, good. Come on. Yeah, that was a winner. All right, let's go find another pair. That one was terrible. Oh my God, I lose 200 bucks on that one. How much make my 90 grand? So let's go wait. Come on, guys, let's go see if I can get 10,000 like. That would be nice. Wow, Friday, come on. It's so easy, just click on the screen. Guys, this one here, I'm gonna buy up. I'm gonna open position the next candle, but if you break that line right there, I'm not gonna enter, I'm gonna wait. But because we have right here 2 areas, that candle can come right, he can come right here, or it can come that double touch right there. You see, it's ready to break one. So I'm gonna wait, I'm not gonna enter, so because he tried to come right here. You see those 2 double enter right there? It's a double touch. So see, that's why I don't want to enter. So the only thing I can do is buy a pullback if it break that line. Should be, no, it's too far. I'm not gonna enter. No, it's to break the line. It's too far. So let me put I'm gonna do a 10 bucks on pullback right here. Let me see. Just gonna see if we're gonna respect, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5-minute candle probably gonna be end right now. It's so big, 5 straight candle. Let me see. Yeah, I see that candle got a 20 second to end. Wow, yeah. Let me go back for 1 minute. I put 10 bucks on that one just to see, but. All right, I'm gonna open position the next one with $100 right there. So if you come right here, I'll put it in 200 bucks right there. If you come right here, I'm gonna bet 200 on pullback. I buy 100 with the open, and let's see if you're gonna come back. Go, come on. I'll take 200 right there. No, you don't wanna come. Say no, I think park option no, I'm gonna bet 200 right there. Come on. Go up. Yes. No, 20 seconds I can't do anymore, guys. If you pull back right there, I like pull back less than 30 seconds. So I don't want to do, I'm gonna martingale that one if I lose. So we're gonna go to the next one. So it's break and we're gonna buy one on the open and the next one the pullback. 4 seconds. I buy one right there, 200. That was perfect. See, touch the line and respect the resisting area. So it's right there. You see that wick right there? That's why I put the line right there, because it's nothing here behind that. See? Oh look, I got one here too. Nice. To me, confirm that was very straight. Uh, 20 second. That was nice trade, that one. So I'm close to 90,000, guys. Like I said, I want to make 90 grand. Come on, guys. Let's go see if we can do a like 3,000. I'm sorry, 3,000 more like. It's not me. I don't know why TikTok keeping asking that. That was nice winner, guys. So it's probably a couple. I'm gonna do maybe another $50. So I can do my 9 grand. Let's go find another peer. Yeah, Rocco. What's up? Well, my goal today is to make 90 grand. So I start with, I think, I don't know. I want to make 90 grand. Hi, Barrister. I'm good. Very good. So I'm trying to see if I can close those. Saver, you ask me how much I start what with account or how long I've been trading. I don't understand your question. No, Dimitri, the other account. All right, let me show. Hold on, guys. Let me show my other stuff right here. Yeah, this account, Dimitri, it's only for life. My other account, it's I have a, like I start every month with the 30 grand, and right now it's I got almost 70,000. So over there I trade only open market, and my trade it's $1,000. I don't trade $100 to no, it's $1,000, and I try to do only 3, maybe maximum 4 trading, but each trade it take me like 10 minutes. So because I use the signal I send for the group, and that's the same one I'm trading. So yeah, this account right here, it's only for me to do a live. Yeah, I think I have one of those on YouTube, Rocco. Let me send the link right here. Um, because a pullback, guys, it's really good. Believe me. Uh, Let me see right here. Hold on. Let me see if it this one here. I'm looking for that video. I think this one here. Rook, take a look at that video I just sent to you. It's on YouTube. Yeah, that video it's really good. Yeah, let me put a like let me make my 9 grand first, and then I'm gonna teach a lot of stuff about pullback with the small amount like $1. All right, and then we're gonna show how far I can go with $1. So give me 1 second. Let me make this and put 100 here. I saw a thread right there. Oh my God, it's break the trend. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let me wait. Let me get a couple money and then Karma. Yeah, send me too, Karma. All right, let's go. I think I'm gonna. If that candle break right here, I'm gonna sell. But for me to sell, I want to make sure. First of all, break that line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Wow. Come on, go up, and then I'm gonna. I'm missing. See, you're supposed to get a pullback right there. Let's go see break. If you break again, I'm gonna get right there. I break that pullback. That's a pullback we call. But it's very strong area, so I hope it's gonna respect. Let's go wait. 19 seconds. I don't use a boot, Dimitri, because boot it's manipulated just to you to buy. So I saw a lot of people create a boot on the account that's fake. Come on, guys. All right, guys. I make my 90 grand today. So let me put $1 right here. So I'm gonna show a pullback very quickly. So I'm gonna do this. Hold on. I have it to shut. All right. All right, guys. Let me show you something. Look. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me show something about pullback. For example, let's say you have this green candle right here, right? And then you have another candle. First of all, we have a defense line right there, right? The candle is open right here. If you think the candle go this movement, 1, 2, 3, but he don't touch the top yet. But if you touch the top, you go like this. Guys, this one here, it's a pullback. You have to buy right there. All right, so let me do it again. Look, if the candle start break, sometimes the candle go up, go down like this. You see the pressure? Let's say if you right here have another defense line, right? And the candle start going up like this. But don't touch yet. If you break the line like this quickly, that's not good. You need to break right there and come back. If you come back, that's a pullback, right? So with the red, it's the same thing. Look, if the line come down, the candles start come down. So you have, let me move this. So, and the candle start come down and do this movement right there, and boom, vault. Keep doing this 3 times. You gotta count 3. On the third one, if you touch the defense line, you're gonna buy right there. But if you come like this, touching, let me delete this first. Hold on. If the candle keeping come back quickly like this, no, they have to. You see the pressure. The candle go like this. But don't touch yet. As soon as touch, that's the moment you're gonna buy a pullback right here on that area. Well, thank you, Peter. 10,000 like, that's good. The other thing, guys, like this one here, like when you saw a command candle, let me put it right here. When you saw a command, this one here, it's a command, right? Command, every time you saw a candle, it's not weak on top, you gotta put a line. This one, it's a defense line. And then if the candle start going up like this, right? And then if the body break through like this, the next candle you're gonna buy up. Okay, so if the next candle go through, if the body stop right there, exactly right there, the wick pass, the next candle you're gonna sell. Okay, if the next candle start going, 3 sample, I'm gonna do it. If they candle end like this, look, and the wick touch on the body, this one here, it's indecision. So you don't know if the candle go up or go down. You don't trade, you wait. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another example with the wick. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but let's say, guys, this one here now, that candle have a wick right there. All right, let's go. We have a wick right there, and that was the last candle on top, the shaft. So you put a line on, right? So now if the candle start going up again, if the wick touch the wick exactly the same, this one here, it's, the seller, the buyer tried to get in, but you see the pressure, the sell tried to pressure. So the next candle, you're gonna sell. This one here, it's not indecision. The only way it's indecision is to have if you have a candle like this, right? You got a defense line right here, and then you have a candle go up, and then the ink. See, that's indecision because the body, this one here, it's weak with the wick, it's sell. Weak with the body, it's indecision. All right. So now if the wick break through, that you gotta buy a pullback right there, down. Okay. Yeah, I use a stream on computer. I use on YouTube, so that's why, because right here it's very small to show you guys. So let me show the last one. This one here, it's very good. I like that trading a lot. This one here we call double position. Let me show it right here. Look, I'm gonna show on the screen. Look, every time you guys saw a double position, this one here, it's a double position. Okay, what's double position is? It's the body. You guys can see. Let me put it right here. This one is better. Hold on. So look, guys, this one here, it's a double position. Hold on, let me look. The body, it's inside the wick. This one here, it's double position. Also, it's breakthrough. So the next candle will be sell. Okay. All right, so we call this a double position, guys. So let me take this off. Well, it's a big red. All right, so let me create a double position for red. Look, this one here, it's a double position. So every time we saw those on the shot, the body, let me click right there. Look, this body here, it's inside the wick. And also the candle, it's breakthrough. So the next candle will be, we're gonna buy up. All right, let me go back to the trader. Let me show something here very quick. Hold on. Let me pause this and go to the trader. Look, let's go find double position here so you guys understand. Look, this one here, it's a double position. See the body, it's inside the wick. The next candle was red. That one, it's not. See the wick, it's not. It's not like 100%, but it's help with for reading. You see right there, that body, it's inside the wick. The next was green. Look, that body, two double, right? The body inside the wick. The next one was green. All right. That one, it's not. Look, that one, it's a double position. See, this one here, it's a double position too. Look, it's a little, but the body, we count that's a body. The body inside the wing, the next one was red. Yeah, it's nothing, it's 100%. All right, let me do a couple pullbacks right here. So with the dollar, so I got a $71. So look, it's come back, right? Let me see, right here. So if you come right there, I'm gonna buy up, a pullback. I can get one right here and right now, look. Because it's pressure. That's what we call pullback. The best pullback was right here. Look. Let's go see if touch, if you come down. That one was nice right there. Let's go wait for the next candle. See, try to touch that resistance. See how pressure tried to touch and went up quickly. See? That's a pullback. I did buy in the open. See, I buy when it was red. But what happens, this one here, look, it's not have a lot of reference. That's a pullback. See, you buy up, right? I know it's again the trend, but it's a pullback. That's how it is. And he tried to come right here. See, that's a pullback. We buy before, but the time it must be like this. 1 minute, there's not automatic time like this one here. This one here, we can't do a pullback. That's why sometimes you have to go and change your time. I think I'm gonna lose. I'm doing example, like I'm not trading, like I put a dollar just to show you guys. So let me get something good so you guys can trade with me together. All right, let me, like I said, I already make my goal. All right, this one here, look, if you come right there, it's a sell. Pull back right there. You see, touch that wick right there. And there I go, and there I can have an opportunity to go with the trend. See? Because 1, 2, 3 times, but you have to be quickly. That's why you have to train your eyes to do that. All right. Wow, thank you guys. 10,000 like, wow, that was wonderful. That make me TikTok so happy. So guys, just go to my free channel, my Telegram channel. You don't have to open a new account to join to my channel. It's free. So I be send a signal over there for 5 minutes. So I can't do it 1 minute. Also it's wow, you see why? See, because I changed the time right there. See, that's why I don't like that time. So I like to use automatic like this. Those are good. See, now I don't want to do pull back again. It's touching 3 times. So I don't want to buy right here again. Yeah, I don't like, it's not secure for, with the MacBook, I don't like it because well, you can get hacked quickly. So with the Windows, you can put some security, it's more security. Every time I trade, I like to trade with Windows. You know, that's a pullback right there. I just bought it, but the right way, if that candle come right here, if that candle come right there, that would be nice pullback. See, right here, right there. Come on, right there. See, I took 2 right there. That was nice right here. That's the correct one. But if I lose, I have to accept and loss. But that one was nice pullback right there. 28 seconds. Guys, I remember when I start trading option binary, because I'm not, I used to trade only stocks like Fidelity and also Rebu, Thinkswim, but wow, look, it's a breakthrough. So way I try to trade with, I try like $100, and believe me, I traded with $1 on the time. So what happens if you have $100, you have 100 trading, and it's hard to you to lose because you want to keep your account. So let's say if you put it in $100, don't try to go $5, $3, $6. No, try to be, first of all, control your emotion, and also not only the emotion but control your be like persistent. You know, like $1 every day with 100 times, it will be almost double your money in one day. But you have to be a lot of time in the computer, and also try to study. You know, take another people knowledge how that guys make money. You know, so that's how it is. So be persistent. Yeah, you gotta protect your money, because if you lose it, and then you gotta put it back again, and you don't want to do that. Like, look, this one here, the only way to be good to trade if that candle come right there. If you don't touch that line or break, it's not safe to trade, to buy up. Gonna wait. Yeah, it's not me. It's God uses sometimes people to show other people some knowledge. That's why I tell people, don't ask him anything, asking God. Ask him to give you knowledge, and he will. It's not me, believe me. Everything I do right here, it's because of him. And look, if you come right here, I can buy a pullback. Look, go back, break. I want to make sure you break. Don't break, I took one. But let's go see if you're gonna respect that one. That one was nice. Come back again, I'll take another one. Yeah, I don't charge, so I give a free book, the same book I was learning a lot. Why I take the entries, Rocco? Look, Rocco, that candle right here, it's not weak. Look, it's breakdown, right? So we have a thread right there. You see right there, this right, my line right there. Let me show my setup. Look, my static on top, I like red, and the bottom green, right? So it's touched my line right there. Give me one option to go up. That's one. And the second one, that candle was well, was not enough. Look, he break the line right there. You see the body? You see the wick? The body, it's above the line. If that body stay right here, I will not do it, because that candle can come back. But just because that candle end up like this on the top of the line, it's, I mean, every time we go up. Look, let me show something here. Look, every time on top, look, every time on top, you have a 3 or 2 candle, green and red. Look, one green, the next one red, right? Look, green and red, the next one red, right? Look, green and red, the next one red. Just put those in your mind. Look, green and red, the next one red. Now let's go do with the green and red. Look, red and green, green. Red and green, green. Try to see those up and down. Look right here. try to working with up and down candles every time on top. So if you saw right there, look, every time you see, look, high, high, low, look, high, come down, one candle. This one hits the confirmation, go into the second one. Two candle, the good one is supposed to be three red candle. Three red candle, one green, the next one green. Enter the second one. Look, 1, 2, 3 candle, green, the next one green. Enter that one. That's your entrance. Let me just go find another one. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, one red, one green, the next one green. Look right here. 3 candles, one green, the next one green. Enter that. This one here is your confirmation, but must be below, like in the end. You see, touch the ball of the band. The ball of the band, it's right here for something. You see, touching. Look, 1, 2, 3, touching. I do my enters right here. See, 1, 2, 3, I do my enters right there too. So that way, it's not, so that way you don't lose. It's hard. See right there, look. 1, 2, two different color on top, right? See, this one here will be my confirmation if red, and I'll do my enters right there. Also, I do my pullback. See, this one you lose, but you win on the second martingale. Right there, the same thing. Look, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, one green, the next one, just go right here. What I mean chaotic, Dimitri? You have to understand how the shot it's working. You can't just like, see right there? 2 candle, that's it's not good because you have one red right there. But if that candle was total red, believe me, that's my confirmation. I do my enters right here. Look, it's cross right there, right? The line. Look, every time the line cross, guys, like cross on top, it's sell. Cross on the bottom, it's buy up. Look, you see right now the line is open, right? If that candle come right here, I'm gonna buy up because I saw opportunity right there, just because I saw that indicator right there. Look, let me buy on the open right here. Look, I'm supposed to buy the pullback, but you see it's open. The blue line is start going up. It's that candle have a stronger. It's not gonna, it can't come down, yes, but I have more opportunity. You see right there, pullback. See, I took him one. I don't know why, but that pullback is supposed to be right there. Look, right there. That will be nice pullback right here. See, that one will be good right there, not here. So now the candle, see the blue line start turn over a little bit. So it's, not gonna go up anymore. So now the only way for me to sell, I'm gonna wait for that candle touch those 2 lines. The last candle was this one here. Look at the wick. But you gotta deposit 100, but you have to trade with $1 at least for a couple weeks. Yeah, Roku, send me a message and then we can talk. All right, look, tell me the indicator right here. See the indicator, don't tell me. The line did cross. It's gonna continue going up. So and also we see 5-minute end. So you can buy right there because the candle, you gotta look in the, that's why I have another screen, 5-minute screen. Look, let me show the 5-minute, how it's look, the 5-minute. Look, that candle, 5-minute went up. You see right there, it's open. So the price can go up, yes, because it's not touched yet. You have to have a 5-minute and 1 minute. because right now I can see the 5 minute. That's why I want to show you guys. So when I trade with 1 minute and 5 minutes. I want to see what's going on. Do you have a copy trading account? What's that mean? Like a channel? No, I don't trading for. Let's say I know people ask me, hey, can you do my account? I give you some percent. How many years to make 900 or 9,000? This one here was from I think 4 weeks with the $200. I think people start with me. So last week I was $3,000. Some people saw me, and then I got it back on open market. So because I lose, so this one here, next year was from couple weeks. It was $200. Guys, let me show something here very quick. Hold on. Let me log out this account. Let me show my other account. Hold on. I'm gonna turn it off because I gotta log into my account. Okay.